Good day, everybody. MTB here. It has been a while since I've had a shave. Well, it's been a while since I've done a shave video, and obviously a while since I've had a shave. I think Friday was the last time I shaved. Today is Monday. Been really busy, crazy. Sold some straight razors over the weekend, some soaps. Got everything out. My buddy DK, sorry man. When I get done with this, I'm going to go print that label out and go drop it off at the post office. He bought a soap I purchased. I wasn't too happy with the scent, but I figured it might be up his alley. If not, he'd probably want to try it. And he bought a Maddie soap, so awesome. Sorry, I do have the TV on. Guys, I just went into it and didn't even tell y'all what the fuck I'm using. Yeah, pardon the language. Shore Shave is my green synthetic. And as you can see from the thumbnail, y'all probably already knew this. Grooming Weinstrasse. Got the matching splash from Grooming. So, I was looking for Havana, and this is this is a top scent for me. Sorry, I'm a little burping over here. It's a top scent. Like, I truly enjoy this scent. Haven't used it in forever, and I did not get to Havana by the time I saw this, so this is what we used. We got bloops, using the bronze Captain's Choice bowl. Got bloops, and I don't want to use the Lancaster. See if we got enough of the bubbles out of this. It took a while, guys, to get the bubbles out of this. So, this is my Gillette 195 Fatboy. You know, maybe we'll call it the obese boy one of these days. We've got it on 6, and I have got a brand new Gillette Thin. I think that's what it is. But we're going to see how this goes. I haven't used this in forever. Not kidding when I say forever. Like, I think we're coming up on my 2-year. Oh yeah, we're right around 2 years of wet shaving. So I probably haven't used this in 16 months. That was really nice, guys. A lot smoother than I remember it being. And that's for the Weinstrasse. It is bomb. It's a bomb-ass scent, dog. See, I'm not a big fan of these thins, but they were there. They were out, you know, so I used them. But this shave's been very comfortable. All right, that's nice. Plenty of residual slickness with this Weinstrasse Milk Steak Declaration. I wouldn't have realized it as much until someone told me, but I guess it is grape forward and real grape smell, not like, you know, grape soda, purple drain, you know. Oh, man. I do like the feeling of this base on my face. Like the lather, it's not like high structure, but it's got some density to it. And I did work this for a while to hydrate it, like the way I would like. I mean, obviously you can see through to the skin. Got some bubbles going on, but fully hydrated, and there's some density on the face, and I like that. I hate to say it, guys, but I think this obese boy, we're gonna knock it down to the 3, just for shits and giggles, because you can. We got something there. It's a bump. So nice. It's really mild on 3. Trying to get the weird angles. Get that neck as clean as I want it. Hit the glasses. Wow. Don't feel a lot of cutting. Leads me to believe I did pretty good that first pass. And I'm sorry I haven't been getting the comments, guys. Makes me a shitty YouTuber. Life's been crazy. "12 to 14-hour days. Had the kids this last weekend. Which honestly is always a joy. So guys, I'm gonna rinse up. Back, guys. Man, I need a haircut. So yeah, I had issues getting DOT card last week. Long days other than that. Had fun with the kids though. We had a good time. A lot of TV watched. A lot of markers everywhere. Sorry, we're just loading up on the splash because I like a lot of splash. Oh yeah. Burns really nice. I enjoy it. Man, it's so good. It's just a really good scent. I'm going to enjoy it the rest of the night and hopefully smell it a little when I get up tomorrow. So, dry the hands a little. Fatboy started on 6, went to 3. Very mild when you get to 3, but if you look at mine, mine's got like patina issues on the edge there. You see the water, but yeah, I've cleaned it up the best I can. It's the best we're getting out of it. Could probably go and have it, you know, all redone, but yeah, it's good the way it is. Shows a little age. Guys, I've been drinking Old Faithful Shiner Bot, and I'll link the Etsy shop for this guy, Shore Shave. I like his brushes. I think they're pretty neat, so if you're interested, just look below. Not selling you anything, just I like the brush. And you know, if I can find Weinstrasse, put a link for that as well. Till next time, guys, y'all have a good one, and I'll try to get to comments.